everybody, it's Mike Sylvan here at Seattle Mini, and today we're going to talk about setting your default driving experience. This switch right here is what takes us to our experiences. When I press it and release, it's going to bring the experiences up to the default experience from the factory, which is Core. I can go up to Go-Kart, or I can go down to one of the other 7 driving experiences, or 8 if it's a Countryman, which also has a trail experience. So your car is going to come to you with Core as the default driving experience. Now my favorite driving experience is actually Timeless. And the reason that I like it is because I like old stuff and new stuff, and this gives me both. It gives me the digital representation of the original Mini, and I just like the way it looks. So the way that I'm going to make this my default driving experience is, first things first, going to Home, and then going into the apps. And then I'm going to shortcut to Vehicle, and then I'm going to find the Experiences app, which is right there. I'm going to choose the Experiences app, and then I'm going to choose the settings right there. Then I'm going to go to the Start Experience, I'm going to choose Timeless, and then you'll also notice here that I can turn off and on the sounds that come when you change experiences, which I'm not going to do because I love these sounds. And that's it. From now on, every time I get in my car, when I start it, I'm going to end up right here in this mode. One thing, folks, and I wish it were different, but it isn't, you'll notice that there isn't a Go-Kart choice and there isn't a green choice. So if you want Go-Kart or green, you're going to have to move into that every single time you get into the car. Thanks for watching my video, and with questions, or if you need help and you're in Washington, Idaho, or Western Montana, reach me at 206-588-4216 or Michael at SeattleMini.com. That's Michael at SeattleMini.com. If you are in Oregon or any other state, please contact your local Mini representatives.